Let's go to Stanley's kitchen how to make Stanley's fried turkey. Add in lemon juice to wash the turkey wings. Add in the turkey wings. Wash it. In lukewarm water. To drain, put in the drainer, I'll beat the wings up. All washed, let it drain. Let it drain for marination. All the wings are cut to pieces, one wings in two. Ready to marinate. Adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of saffron seed cooking wine. This is Hawaiian salt. Look at it, Hawaiian salt. Adding a pinch of Hawaiian salt. Adding all-purpose seasoning adobo. Two tablespoons of lemon juice. Together. Adding a tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it again. Adding the turkey wings. Soak it in. Leave the marinated turkey wing for 24 hours in the refrigerator. All the marination is ready. Turkey wings is marinated. Turkey wings is getting marinated. transferring all the turkey wings to a container for marination. This is going to be 24 hours marination. Pour all the marination to the Tupperware and then marinate for 24 hours. And the next step comes in the next video. Going in the refrigerator for marination. I got 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup all-purpose, one tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix both together. Adding sazon to the dry ingredient. Mix it again. Turkey wing marinated for 24 hours. Turkey wings. Ready to go in the all-purpose and cornstarch. That's the excess. Going into the oil. Oil is heat to 50 degrees, let it cook. Turn it around. Not overload it. Put 1 or 2, 3 pieces at a time. Ready to come out. Cook for 10 minutes. Turkey takes long time to cook. Stanley's fried turkey, SFT, Stanley's fried turkey. For the recipe, go to Stanley's Kitchen on YouTube. How to make Stanley's fried turkey. I'm going to take a bite. Look at it. Yummy, yummy, bang, bang.